Hello, everyone. We are Form 3 students from St. Stephen's Girls College in Hong Kong. Let us introduce our design, D-Plastic. This is our team, and this is our work allocation. The increasing amount of plastic waste is causing serious environmental pollution. The problem is worsening as the ocean currents carry these wastes everywhere, especially to unattended remote areas. Animals that eat the plastic and affect the ecosystem. Larger waste may even harm land and sea animals. It is necessary to clean up these wastes before they break into smaller pieces. To clean difficult to access areas can be very challenging because these places are very dangerous. In this project, we designed a device to collect plastic waste from these remote areas. There are two major challenges, including multi-terrain and automatic collection. The vehicle should be able to work and move in multi-terrain. We can use a flexible collector and a floatable vehicle. Automation will lead to problems concerning battery lifetime and safety concern regarding signal reception. We can use renewable energy and a modem to transfer signals. You may think, can one include everything in one design?
Yes, we can. Here's our design D-Plastic. This is our prototype used for testing. We chose road wheels with tracks so that it can move on soft land. We used strong floatable materials to build the body of the collector and propellers in order to move in water. These are the working environments that we have tested. Here is the testing of our model. By turning on one propeller, the vehicle can turn directions in water. And by turning the motor connected to one of the platforms holding the track, it can change directions on land. The plastic applies intelligent search. A camera will capture the image and send them to the cloud for computation. Signal will be sent to control the vehicle. If the signal is lost, it is not safe for people to retrieve manually. Another device will be sent to retrieve it by turning on its electromagnet and pulling the broken vehicle back to the station. The plastic has a solar panel and a wind turbine installed so that the battery life can be extended. An infrared sensor is set at the top of the storage tank. When the tank is almost full, a notification will be sent and the plastic will return to its nearest station for drop-off. We designed a shovel with flexible joints, which can easily pick up and transfer the waste. The plastic also contains a GPS tracker for locating its position. The bottom of the container is a wire gauze filter used to filter out sand and water. This reduces weight and increases storage capacity. It also comes with a water spray to wash away mud.
To conclude, the plastic has 7 major functions. It can move in water and in multi-terrains. A camera connecting to the modem is used for intelligent search. It runs on supplementary renewable energies. An IR sensor to monitor the storage tank. It can pick up plastic in different situations, and GPS tracker for showing location and remote control. We have learned a lot from this competition. We know more about the causes and consequences of plastic pollution. We learned how to communicate online and work as a team during school suspension. We explored advanced skills like making animation using PowerPoint slides and applying Tinkercad to create 3D models. Our teachers gave us advice on the use of these skills. We have faced many difficulties. During the school suspension, it is hard to conduct experiments and we could not meet face to face. And it is not easy to analyze the problem. Buying materials to build the model is also difficult. Here are our solutions. We took turns to do experiments. We met more frequently online. We divided our workload and shared our results through Google Drive. And we bought the materials online. We are delighted to make our model work and create our own cartoons and 3D drawings.
Finally, it is the questions from the panel. If we could choose again, we would like to add something in our plan to include microplastic treatment. That is also a serious problem in this project. We concentrate only on picking bigger plastic waste. The most valuable lesson we had was that we learned to think out of the box. For example, when we needed to float the vehicle, we tried different shapes, thickness of floating boards, but we were unsuccessful. Finally, we discarded all ideas and used floating materials to build the vehicle, and we succeeded. When everything went wrong, we learned to think logically and handle problems one by one. We analyzed the reasons for failure and investigating different possible solutions. We will search on the internet and ask experts. After that, we will go over the testing. Lastly, if we could have changed the competition, we would modify the rules to allow more flexibility for participants. For example, instead of just collecting plastic, we may allow participants to collect all types of trash. To solve a problem, there are usually many kinds of approaches. This is the end of our presentation. Thank you.